Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the vibration exercise plate. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Unlock the healthier you with the power of vibration. Introducing the state-of-the-art vibration plate exercise machine, your ultimate companion for achieving a fitter, stronger, and more balanced body, all from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to boost circulation, improve muscle tone, or accelerate weight loss, this vibration plate delivers results in just minutes a day. With adjustable intensity levels, it's perfect for everyone from beginners to seasoned fitness enthusiasts. Imagine achieving the benefits of an intense workout with less strain on your joints and in a fraction of the time. Plus, its sleek, compact design means it fits perfectly in any space. So how exactly do you use it? You operate the vibration plate with the included remote control or via the LED touchscreen. The display allows you to see the remaining time and the speed. Hop on the vibration plate and build your ideal body with or without the included resistance training bands. Don't wait to feel the difference. Invest in your health today with the vibration plate exercise machine and experience the future of fitness. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.